Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to import packages and basic codes. Before we start writing and running Python code, let's first understand some fundamental concepts. We'll begin by learning what Python packages are, why they are important, and explore some of the most commonly used packages in Python. Having a clear understanding of these basics will make it much easier to follow the coding examples in the upcoming sections. A package in Python is a collection of modules that contain pre-written functions, classes, and tools for performing specific tasks. Packages help us save development time, avoid rewriting common code, use well-tested and optimized functions, solve complex problems with just a few lines of code. First, we'll learn about two of the most important Python packages, Pandas and NumPy. What is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library used for data manipulation and analysis. It helps organize data into tables, making it easy to clean, filter, analyze, and visualize datasets. Why do we use Pandas? Read datasets from CSV, Excel, and text files. Clean missing or incorrect data. Filter and sort data. Analyze datasets, prepare data for machine learning. What is NumPy? NumPy, numerical Python, is a Python library used for fast numerical and mathematical computations. It provides support for multidimensional arrays and many mathematical functions. Why do we use NumPy? Perform mathematical calculations efficiently. Work with one-dimensional and multidimensional arrays. Handle large datasets quickly. Perform linear algebra and statistical operations. Generate random numbers. Before we begin, it's also helpful to have a basic understanding of common data structures such as arrays, stacks, queues, linked lists, trees, and graphs. I won't be covering these topics in depth in this series because many excellent tutorials are already available online. Now run the codes. To import the Pandas library, type import pandas as PD in your Python editor. As you start typing, your editor may display suggestions. Select pandas from the list and run the code. Import pandas as PD. If the code runs without any errors, it means the pandas library has been successfully imported into your Python program. Again, we will importing another library NumPy, matplotlib, seaborn. Matplotlib package creates graphs and charts. We are going to learn how to load a dataset in Python using the Pandas library. Before we can analyze any data, we first need to import it into Python. One of the most commonly used functions for this is pd_read_csv. Here, import is a Python keyword that loads the Pandas package into our program. We use as pd to create a shorter alias, so instead of writing pandas.read_csv, we can simply write pd_read_csv. Now we give the file name as data, then give the function pd_read_csv, bracket, inverted comma. Within inverted comma, give the specific path of the input file or simply go to the drive and copy the path by clicking Copy Path option and the Run It. Here I am showing how to load .csv format file. After loading the dataset, it is a good practice to check whether it has been imported correctly. You can display the first 5 rows using print data.head, the last rows using print data.tail, data.tail. To check the dimensions of the dataset, use print data.shape. This command returns the number of rows and columns. We can also check data types like integer, float, etc.